I look like a peacock. I look like a little bird. What's up, everybody? I'm Serena K, and I hope that you guys are having an amazing day. Today, I'm going to be trying out the Cantu Curl Activator Cream with some water. So let's see how this plays out. So what I do is I spray the water in my hair, make sure that it's nice and wet, and then I just add in the cream. I just work it through my fingers. I don't really need to use a comb or a pick. I just like to use my fingers, and it is also like less harsh on my hair. And then this is gonna be more of like a twist out, so I'm gonna be twisting my hair. So I'm just gonna twist all the way down. Now this the front one that I have, the very front one, that was just the first one that I made. I actually didn't really plan on filming this, but I knew it was going to take a while, and I was like, I've never really done a video like this before. So that's pretty much the reason why I just decided to grab my phone and film this process. So it was so impromptu. Look at those beautiful curls. You see, give the video a thumbs up for the beautiful curls and a round of applause for the beautiful curls. So yes, I'm just going to continue to twist it and twist it and twist it. Now I'm actually unraveling this because it felt a little loose, and it was the first one that I did like off camera. So I was like, let me just retwist this one. I want to make sure that the twists are not too tight, but that they're secure, so they don't like unravel, or I can get a really good curl definition. I look like a peacock. I look like a little bird. You guys comment what your hair type is. And I'm going to be honest, I'm not even exactly sure what my hair type is. I'm going to guess it might be either like 3C or 4A. But it's probably more than one. But all I know is that it's extremely thick. Hence why I have to put curling creams in it to even help manage it. And which is pretty much why I wear my hair in weaves, because I don't have time to do this every single day. Don't get me wrong, I love my natural hair. It's come a long way, and it's grown a lot. So yeah, but yeah, leave a comment and let me know. And if you have any idea of what you think my natural, like my hair type is, just let me know, because like I said, I feel like it might be a 3C4A, but I'm not sure. So leave a comment below. And here's the last twist right there. Twisting it up and get rid of the excess cream. So yes, I am laying my edges once again. I'm even actually gonna take a brush and kind of just brush it down. I don't want to brush it too much. You never want to brush your edges too much. I just want to get some little bit of extra like laidness on my edges. So here's the finished twist out 45 minutes later. Let's see how this looks in the morning. What's up, everybody? It's already, excuse me, it's the morning after. I literally didn't go to bed till 2 o'clock, and it is, I think, 9 o'clock now. And I actually woke up about half hour ago, so I'm still a little sleepy, but I am going to unravel my twist, see how the, you know, what do you call it, the cream had worked, the Curl Activator Cream. I'm gonna attempt to do a slick look today, so let's see how this plays out. So far, I'm really loving how this curl specifically, I really love how it's playing out. Like, it's actually really, really nicely defined. I love, you see that curl pattern? You see it? So yeah, I'm just gonna unravel them. I didn't honestly expect my hair to be this short. But I mean, I get it's the shrinkage, but at the same time, like, I was expecting it to be a little bit taller, a little bit longer, but either way, it's still pretty cute, so it's fine with me. And we're all done. So I really like how it looks in the front too. My curls are really popping in the front. Overall, like, nice cute little afro I got here. Love the way my curls are. The cream did a pretty good job. Okay, so now this is where I attempt to do like a slick look. The keyword attempt. So I don't have any gel, so I'm gonna use the cream itself and a little bit of edge control. So I'm putting on edge control now, and then I'm gonna just pick my hair out a little bit. And then my hair is so thick, it's like it's so hard to bring it up to the top. I like to wear my hair, I like to do a high puff. But oh my goodness, having to brush it sometimes, it's so difficult. So yeah, anyways, I'm pulling it up, and I would have to say I can be a little too harsh on my edges, because like by looking at it, I can tell my edges were like yelling at me to stop, but I had to do what I had to do. But for future reference, try to be careful with your edges. That's why I don't want to have like a rubber band that's too tight, and I always try to loosen up as much as I can. So then I put my scarf on to lay the hair down. And then, you know, I'll put on my makeup and I'll be right back. So now that I'm done with my eyelashes, I'm going to take this off and voila. And this is a finished product. Overall, out of 10, I will give this about an 8. It did moisturize, like define my curls better than I had expected. So I had to give it its props. Not as slick, but still slick. So yeah, that's that. Well, you guys, if you like this video, make sure that you give it a nice big fat thumbs up. Don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section telling me what you think about it, if you've tried this cream before. And of course, don't forget to hit that big fat red subscribe button and notification bell for when I do post, which is every single week. Well, you guys, that's all that I have for today. I'm signing out. I'm Serena K, and I hope that you guys continue to have an amazing day. See you guys later.